place where silence meets. Only locals seem to know this quiet cafe's gentle glow. No tourist passing through, just the regular chosen few. Books and whispered conversation, perfect peaceful sanctuary station. Quiet corner, my secret hideaway, where I escape the day. Peace I'm searching for. Quiet corner, behind old wood tables worn with time. Everything here feels sublime. Owner barely says a word, just the coffee cup I pour. Quiet corner, my secret hideaway, where I escape the day. Peace I'm searching for. Quiet corner, behind an unlocked door. Sometimes I just need to be away from all the city spree. In this corner tucked away, finding stillness every day. Quiet corner, a secret hideaway, where I escape the day. Quiet corner, behind an unmarked door. Secret sanctuary.
総山行きのケーブルカーは終点強羅で到着です。